Welcome back to English with Chanroth. In today's lesson, you're going to learn some common English idioms. Well, let's get started. 1. To get the ball rolling. To get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling means to get started. Well, let's look at the dialogue. A. Have you started your assignment yet? B. Say, no, not yet. A. You better get the ball rolling. The assignment is due next week. Don't worry about me, I'll get it done. 2. A fish out of water. A fish out of water. A fish out of water means to feel awkward or uncomfortable, usually in a new situation. Example, I didn't have any friends that were like me. I just always feel like a fish out of water. One more example. Geez, learning to rollerblade isn't easy. I keep falling down. I know, it's so hard. I feel like a fish out of water. 3. To be broke. To be broke. To be broke means to be out of money or to have no money. Example, I really want to buy that cool t-shirt, but I'm completely broke. Would you like to borrow some money? That'd be great. I promise I'll pay you back later. 4. Rule of thumb. Rule of thumb. Rule of thumb means an unwritten but generally accepted guideline, policy, or method of doing something. Example, if you are struggling with the software, a good rule of thumb is to restart the computer. Another example, as a general rule of thumb, children this age should not spend more than 1 hour on homework. 5. To be up in the air. To be up in the air. Up in the air means undecided or indefinite, usually because other matters should be decided first. Example, I am not sure what the plans are. Everything was up in the air when I last spoke to him about it. One more example, please let us know by tomorrow if you're going on the class trip with us. That's right, I'm still up in the air. I need to figure out my study schedule first. 6. To give someone the cold shoulder. To give someone the cold shoulder. What does give someone the cold shoulder mean? Give someone the cold shoulder means to know interest in someone or something, or to ignore. Have you ever given someone the cold shoulder? Or have you ever received the cold shoulder? Okay, let's look at dialogue. Sarah says, I ran into Sally yesterday and we had a nice conversation at a coffee shop, catching up with each other. And Sam replied, oh really? Last time I saw her, she gave me the cold shoulder. I couldn't figure out what I had done to make her angry. And Sarah responded, well, it probably doesn't help that you're dating her best friend. 7. Happy camper. Happy camper. Happy camper means a person who is happy and cheerful. Well, let's look at a conversation between David and Anna. David says, Anna, why are you so happy today? Anna says, Well, I made a perfect score on my math exam. So yes, I'm a happy camper today. David responds, wow, congratulations. 8. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain means you must work hard to succeed. Commonly refers to exercise. Example, if you want to lose weight, you'll need to start going for a run every morning. Remember, no pain, no gain. Another example, if you want to win the competition, you have to train for an extra hour every day next week. No pain, no gain. 9. To sit tight. To sit tight. Sit tight means to stay where you are. Okay, let's look at the dialogue between David and Anna again. David, Anna, are you okay? What happened? Anna, I fell down the stairs and now my leg really hurts. David, sit tight, I'll go call the ambulance. 10. Better late than never. Better late than never. Better late than never means it is better to arrive late than to never arrive at all. Example, he was 20 minutes late for the lesson, but better late than never. One more example, we have been waiting for you for an hour, but better late than never. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day!